Hey everybody, welcome back to Pink's Garage. This is Pink again, coming to you. We just had track day 2 yesterday. I had an intro video for it at the track, but somehow I erased it. So we're going to make up that intro video now. So I got it 4 runs in. We got some decent ETs. Had some more troubles with launches. Trying to figure that one out still. Not sure what it is. If anybody has any ideas, please let me know. Be glad to hear some ideas on why my launches are doing what they're doing. It's just like I'm losing instant power. So let's go and watch those videos. I'm gonna have the videos, and in between some videos I'm gonna have some pictures of the waiting line to get into the race. It was long. It was a 2-hour wait for the first race, but I did get 4 runs in. So let's go watch those videos now, and I'll be back at the end.
Two hours later.
(1342) green and clean over in the left-hand lane at 88 miles an hour. (1545) per hour, 90 miles an hour.
Well, that was all the video I had for yesterday. It was a great day at the track, even with all the wait time. I did some good runs. I ran a 12.4 first pass of the day. I showed the time slip for. The other 3 runs, I went 12.8, 12.46, and then 12.8 again. It just having trouble with that start. So hope you all enjoyed this video. Hope you stay around and subscribe and watch more of the videos I produce. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you know when my new videos come out, and I appreciate it. So keep those motors running. Later.